For Trafigura, safety is a top priority. We engage in a whole range of activities. We trade and transport physical commodities, oil and metals. We have storage facilities in both petroleum products and in metals. To ensure that we're using best practice wherever possible, we now have an overarching framework to look at health, safety, environment and community across the group. Most of the things that Trafigura does are very heavily regulated, and the first thing we do is ensure we comply with all appropriate regulation. We also have our own standards, which are based on international best practice. For example, in the shipment of commodities, of oil and other commodities, we only use double-hulled ships, which we believe is best practice. Most of the operations we have are deeply embedded in the communities, whether they're mining operations where local community involvement and engagement is extremely important, or whether they're storage facilities near the center of a major city, as in Lima, where I visited recently. There we are not only doing projects with the local community through the Trafigura Foundation, but we're also seeking to improve the facility to make it state-of-the-art operation, seeking to minimize dust and noise emissions from that plant. Trafigura has a code of business conduct which sets out how we as employees and as the company will behave responsibly. All employees undergo training on that, including online training. One of the advantages of having an overarching management committee covering health, safety, environment and community across such a diverse group means that we can share learnings across the group. We learn from our experience, we learn from best practice in other companies. So our real objective is to ensure we're behaving as responsibly as we possibly can.